we'll go on top. So we'll go on top. We are raising funds for two things. The first aspect is to support talented students who may be constrained, those who are for teaching and learning, mainly to support them through tuition fees. There are other students who are talented in research and innovation, but they cannot afford to pay their way. Also, we will take care of that. And some money, we want to set it aside to establish a serious research center, the first one in this country, and this is a research center on road safety awareness and traffic accident surveillance in this country.